That looks insane.
That looks like diabetes on a sandwich.
It looks insane. Good morning. Welcome to, what day is it?
That's 7 or 8.
Welcome to day 7 or 8. Checking out the river.
River.
Look at him. He's off. Look at him go. Like a little snake. The noises constantly. Now, we haven't shown it a whole lot, but this is our setup like to get ready in the morning. This just completely pulls out. Now we won't count what stuff is mine and what stuff is Juuls, but it's a lot of stuff and plenty of space, big mirror. It's really well set up van for a small van.
We're now on the way to a place to go for a walk. Burley Head National Park.
It's right by the Gold Coast, which is really cool.
And we go to Surfers Paradise.
Maybe go surf. Oh.
We went up a very steep hill.
Ridiculously steep.
Our car started smelling like burn.
Yeah.
So we, went down.
I really hope that this hike is worth it because that nearly killed our guy. The poor thing's roasting. It stinks of fire. But oh, hope it's a good hike. Not even at the start yet.
Guys, I'm so done with this. Can we stop hiking and stop walking and just...
She was ready for a house, bless her.
I'm so ready to settle down.
Where are you?
Let's go home. Let's go home.
No. Guess who can't afford a plane ticket? This guy.
I'll buy it. I don't care.
So far this walk is very much everywhere walk, but everywhere we can smell the burning rubber, which we think is from our car. Definitely not burning engine. And scary. I'm sure is fully committed to looking at jobs in Cairns. Looking at jobs pretty much anywhere to get home. Hold the phone. That is beautiful. Oh, people out on jet skis. Oh my God. It's a whale watching spot. The whales are gone now. They've left.
How do you know that?
It's not in season. Now look at that. Ready to go surfing?
Surfing. Whoa.
Did you not even see?
No.
On the phone, huh? I always really liked it when every time we go on a little hike, you pass people, you go, hiya, hey, and then they always go back, hiya, or hey. Here, I'm on my 10th person and nobody talks to me.
At home, people do say hello back, so maybe we should go home.
We're not going home. This is a Dutch person's nightmare.
I'm a Dutch person, it's my nightmare.
Confirmation.
Confirmation.
Now, that was a lovely hike. Don't think it was worth nearly blowing up our van over. Now, we need to find out the plan, because I'm not sure if we're going to the Gold Coast. I'm not sure. Oh, it still stinks a little bit. I know there's a couple more things we're doing today before we stop, and I hope one of them allows me to go surfing. Surfers Paradise. We made it. Wow. Now, we've just had a coffee, we chilled alongside the beach, and we're gonna head now to Something Falls. It's a lovely walk to see a really nice waterfall, I assume. This is definitely a place we come back to. I reckon once we come back down from Cairns, if we come back down from Cairns, I reckon we'll do more cities.
Yeah.
And actually check out the Gold Coast itself.
Well, we can't really stay around here, so...
Of course we can. A little bit forward. Wow.
It's raining men.
Hallelujah.
Does that mean we can't hike?
We are, it means the waterfall is going to be even more pretty.
We can't hike.
Of course we can. And look at this. She found puppies. How does she even do that? I went up to fill up the car with fuel and Jill went to Aldi to buy meat. You're supposed to get meat.
There's puppies there. It's so sad, but there's puppies. Look, come look.
What's happening? Did the shopping. It's raining. What?
It's raining, come.
Okay, but we're going to the waterfall now.
Yes.
And it's going to be fun.
It stopped raining and then it went back to rain.
But we'll see.
But that's not good.
Hike must go on. Okay, so not good news is the vision was really bad, but we kept on going and it was fine. But then Jill got a text.
My parents' car is broken.
They just texted that the car is broken. And then I couldn't see them behind me, but to be fair, I couldn't see them behind me for a while anyway. And now they've ghosted us, so we don't know what's going on.
For $25. Couldn't recommend this place more. To win. Went to what? Go Wild package. They didn't really explain what was going on. Basically, my parents' van broke down. We were looking for camping grounds around that area already, and we found a few free ones that were not nice. So I'd already seen this one place that looked insanely good. It was a bit expensive, so I was like, I won't mention it and we'll just go to a free one. Then their van broke down, and the company that they booked with could only come fix it in 2 days, so they said they'll book a campground for them, and they suggested that campground that I knew about, and then I got exactly what I wanted.
Got Koalas just chilling here. Look at him and all. She's so happy. This is the happiest she's been since we left Amsterdam. There's 3. Whoa. Oh my god. Itchy back. Pat on the back. You're doing great. Not gonna tell Juul this, but this is so cool. This is way better than the free campsite we were going for.
I love that that car broke down.
Look, she's so cute. They're so sleepy boys.
They do look just like dogs, to be fair.
Yeah, what's that breed of dog that looks like a fox?
Shiba Inu.
Shiba. The Shibas. There you
They
go.
look like Hachis, but with like slimmer.
We've seen them loads.
Yeah, they're big. What's it got colored toenails?
They're coloured toenails.
This is so much more fun than hiking.
No, I like the free campsites.
Look at them. He's chilling. Chilling.
What are you doing? Michael Jordan. On our way there now, we got our stuff for the burgers. Juul is happy as she can be. It's a success for a broken. It can't get better for a broken down car.
We're sad about the car, but I mean they're insured and everything. So
And it works fine now.
and they took our price because we had to pay for this, and they took our price off of their reduction on like the money they get back. So thank you, Mum.
We're going to bed. We had a great ending, right? We forgot the entire thing again.
We have burgers.
Oh, this is so bright. Burgers, beers.
Burgers,
Brilliant
beers, and
time.
chat.
It was fantastic. But now it's time for bed.
Good night.